Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. What if YouTube could explain a video to you without watching the full thing? That's exactly what YouTube new AI feature does. But before going forward, I request to do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and YouTube updates. In the YouTube 2026 update, a new feature called Ask AI appears right next to the share button. With this feature, by using this AI, you can ask questions about the video. For example, get a quick summary and understand the key points in seconds without watching the full video or a vlog. It's perfect for long videos, educational content, or when you don't have time to watch everything. This AI tool helps you save time and decide whether the video is worth watching fully or not. That's how YouTube new AI feature works. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with friends who love smart tech updates. I hope the short video helpful. I will see you in the next one guys. Goodbye. Best of luck.